Start with your kettlebell between your legs. Keep your head and chest up nice and tall as you hinge down and get a hold of your kettlebell with your back nice and straight. Exhale as you come up, squeezing your glutes behind you and your hamstrings, staying really strong through the repetition. You're gonna return back to the floor as you breathe in and prepare for your next rep. Complete with good form through all program repetition. The kettlebell deadlift is a solid exercise that's a regression of the barbell deadlift. It teaches us how to use our glutes and our hamstrings together while keeping our weight over our center of gravity. It also teaches us to keep our core engaged. I've got a kettlebell and gravity. Let's get into it. The kettlebell deadlift is an awesome exercise for teaching you how to use your glutes and your hamstrings together while keeping great posture and a firm, solid core. Notice how Katie continues to bring the kettlebell between her legs while keeping a straight back. And she's doing an excellent job keeping her head and chest up and not letting it fall forward so that she loses her posture in the exercise. The other thing I want you to notice is Katie's firmly planted between her feet, and in that way, she's able to use her glutes to pull the kettlebell, not her lower back. Keep up the good work, Katie.